you get to see there's a word that is akin to joining things together. That is, for example, Allah will say, وَيَقْطَعُونَ مَا أَمَرَ اللَّهُ بِهِ أَنْ يُوصَلَ. Some people cut what Allah commands them to join together. So this process of joining together is what we refer to as cording. That is cord. Like in electric cable, whatever connects one appliance to the source of power, you say it's a cable, sometimes you say it's a cord. And in general use of English language, we can say something is in accordance to another thing. Is that same word cord we are talking about, the way it connects. Sometimes we say according to so and so. That's we are trying to connect this one to this one. For example, also in the human body, you have the part of our body that we call the spinal cord. That is the cord that connects the spine. That is the cord that goes inside the spine. Allah protects it with the spine. Then you talk about something like the umbilical cord. That's the cord that connects the mother to the fetus. And then you have a whole lot of this. What is the job of a cord? The job of a cord is to connect two things, and like the umbilical cord, there's exchange of nutrient. The mother supplies nutrient to the fetus, though we don't know whether the fetus returns anything back. And then generally, in matters of cording in this world, how people are joined together. Whenever a husband and wife, the cord between them is severed, we say there's marital discord between them. If something is being done and it is being documented, we say they are making a record of it. That means we want to put in such a way that we can reconnect back to it. And the one we have already reconnected to that is stable, we say it's a record. All of these things are from the word record, accordance to, according to, in concordance with. This cord that we talk about, this is the joining of two things together. Then you begin to ask yourself, who are those that you are corded with in this world? Who are those that are cordially in relationship with you? Just like when you invite somebody to an event, you say you are cordially invited. Because we know you and you know also we are inviting you because of the familiarity between us. To make life to be user-friendly, you have to be intentional and you have to be definite about the people that you cord with. What do they do for you? And what do you do for them? What do you benefit from the people you surrounded yourself with? And what do they benefit from you? Are you corded with people that will nourish your soul with knowledge? Or you are corded with people that will remove knowledge from you and give you ignorance? Are you corded with people that will nourish your soul with iman? People whom whenever you see them, you remember Almighty Allah. Whenever you are connected with them, you can't do what is wrong again, because that connection between you and them will make you not to want to go into what is not lawful. A person has got to observe this a lot in life. So many people are corded to those who in the day of judgment, they will not even want to see each other. And some of us are corded to some people who in the day of judgment will even be together in Al-Jannah. So be very specific about people you are corded with. Some people are corded with friends that will always lead them into trouble. Some people are corded with some individuals that will never remind them about Almighty Allah for a second. People who, when you want to do what is good, they taunt you, they laugh at you, and they shout you down. Are you corded to those kind of people? Or you are supposed to be corded to people that whenever you want to do good deeds, you remember them and you feel like, I want to do like that person also does. This is one of the pointers to life. And there are some cordings that you need to sever from your life from this moment on. How do you sever this? You have to be clinical about it. Just like when you want to cut the umbilical cord, you don't just yank it off. You look for something that is sterilized to cut it. If not, there will be infection when you want to detach from people that are evil. They may backlash to you, and then you may come back to suffer it because you have been coded to them in a very wrong way. So be very cautious, be very careful, be very selective. To be successful in this life, you need to be coded to those who have knowledge. You have to be coded to those who can advise you. You have to be coded to those who can mentor you. You should be coded to those who can remind you of things that you must have forgotten. And eventually, be coded with the Quran. Be in cordiality with the Quran. And let the whole of your life move in accordance to the Quran. If you can achieve this in your life, then you will find life to be very, very user-friendly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.